Hello there. Now, obviously, you may have seen the previous vlog, which is the Epic Universe one. And again, as I explained in the previous video, it's so I don't give people spoilers for Epic Universe. So, here is the Disney's Riviera check-in vlog, and oh my god, just wait. Just wait till you see the view we have, folks. And we are... Yeah, I'm videoing, yeah. So, we've had a really good ride with Lyft here, so we are about to come home, guys. Well, folks, we are here. Let's have a look at this view for the first time. Oh my god! It feels even closer than last time. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. 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 We're a different orientation than last time with the bed and stuff. Because last year the bed was obviously on that side, but oh my god. So we've still got the Murphy bed here. Obviously we've got room for the cases, a bit like Disney Cruise Line. You've got the fifth sleeper here. I'll do a proper show you guys later, but because we've just arrived we need some food. Where's the lights for in here? There's one there. The other one might be here, yep. So yeah, we definitely need a shower. It's been a long day at Epic, but we have returned and it is amazing! Amazing. So again, we'll get our luggage later, but we need to just decant it off the cart and then return the cart. But oh, just wow, wow, wow. Look at that! Look at that view! Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god. Right, what are we doing? So look at that hat here, Jesus. That's horrendous. And also, welcome home, Big Fedgin family. Right, let's go get food from Primo Piatto, yeah? Yes. Yep, that's what we're doing, year after year. Still the same artwork, loving it. And Rosalind marches ahead because she's hungry. Oh, it's so good to be back. Like, Rosalind's like, oh, so you've cheered up? Yes, I have cheered up. I have? I was a bit miserable. I was quite grumpy. The food situation at Epic was quite challenging. That's one word for it. Hangry as well. Oh, resort mugs as well. Same as last year. Get the same ones. Well, let's see what we'll get. Right, so our food has arrived again. Rosalind's got the bolognese, and I have the croque monsieur with tomato soup. Nom nom nom. So we've just finished at Primo Piatto, and that was divine. So good, like proper food. And now we're just going to go to the gift shop. I've already spotted a polo shirt from a distance, so let's go and have a look. Oh, Beauty and the Beast in French. There you go. Chapter 3, 3. Oh, yes, this is more my scene. Just Disney. I love it. I love it. It's fantastic. It's the feels. And it's the familiarity, I guess. Yeah, just so happy to be back. I mean, here's the lobby. Oh my god, I can't. I'm honestly fighting back the tears. I'm just so happy. Rosalind's just having a little wander in Le Petit Café. And we're just having a little wander. I've never noticed this before. That's nice. Oh, Rosalind's eyeing up the cakes.
That was so good.
Oh, just look at the sheen to them.
That looks good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. What's that one? Trois chocolat? Chocolat, sorry. Orange cream eclair, orange coffee ganache tart, wine poached pearl, entremet, seasonal cheesecake, and then trois chocolat. No, these are still the same. But yes, let's go to La Boutique. Oh, dearie me. Oh.
Feel how soft that is.
Oh my god, you need to get that. Just for the softness. Let's have a look. Yes, and the back. Oh, how much? How much? What does it say?
It's 59.
59.
Only
Plus we
thing is
get.
that looks as if it's going to come up at the top.
No, I'll have a look at another one. So 59 plus 20% off because we get DVC discount.
I don't know what one would fit me.
You can always try them.
Small, do you think?
Yeah, probably. Oh, oh dear. Some scents. Bath bombs as well. This is new. Oh my god, you're kidding on. Nope, she's not kidding on. Wow. What's the back say? Oh, yeah, it's getting bought. Riviera. Yeah. Well, remember, if you see it, buy it. There's only so many sizes out there. I'll try this on in a second. But
I think that will fit me.
I think so. This is what one of my followers managed to get me during their trip. I got this bad boy right there. This bad boy. Oh, it's a different material. It's like cotton. It's not like the Tommy Bahama, because it's not Tommy Bahama. Oh, we've changed brands. And is this another male version of the? Oh, that's nice.
Oh, that's nice too.
And there's my cap. There it is. How much is that, Rosin? That's Tommy Bahama. It's $120, so $100 after discount.
This one is though.
Oh, is that a shirt? Tommy Bahama shirt? I'm gonna lose it, am I?
Look at that pullover.
Hang on. Because you know me, I love Disney merch, and two, I especially like Riviera merch. So, oh my god, you weren't lying. Oh yes. Oh, is it? Oh, have a look at this, folks.
$64.99.
Yep, I like it. But this as well, nice wee combo. How much is that, Rosalind?
$59.99.
Right, I'm going to go for a shower because I'm not trying anything on in this condition.
Well, I'm going to buy that now because there's
Yeah.
only 2 smalls left.
Okay, Ross is going to get the pink one, but there's loads of loads of sizes of this and what's the size? There's 2 mediums of the polo shirt, and there's a couple of mediums there. Do you know what I mean? I like having more than one of one thing sometimes, but there's no mediums in these. So thank you, Lewis from UK Disney Husbands, for getting me this. So this is a maybe. This is a yes. I can try this on now. Let's try it on. Oh, snug. How's it looking? How's it fit?
How do you feel?
Fine. Am I swole? Is that what you're trying to say? Or does it look tight? It does feel tighter, and feels cosy as well, actually. So that was a medium. So you think I should try a large then?
Okay.
How does that look? Feels quite low on me. I haven't got a mirror.
This doesn't look like that one looks better.
Do you?
It doesn't look as tight in the tummy.
Okay. Gotcha.
But again, I think you'll need to see it for yourself.
Right, okay. Cut my head off again.
Yeah, so I love it like that.
This is quite nice, Rosalind. Yeah, that's quite nice. That's lovely and thick, actually.
This is
Oh. This is what?
this is for me.
That's for you. Right, that's fine. Yes, I have. I still think you look great in that. No?
Yeah, I mean, if I played tennis, when would I get used to it?
Here? So I wonder who makes these then. Oh, our friend Ali is looking for some charms, so I need to have a look at the picture. One thing I've never wore my Spirit jersey from Disney Dream, but this is quite nice. I quite like that. And I'll tell you how much it is as well. It is $84.99. But yeah, so Rosin thinks I'll like this. Have a look at that. So I'm not usually a fan of wearing green, but I would venture to wear something like this. And that's a small. So this is $49.99. Is that for a girl?
Good question.
No, I don't think it is. No, because the way that is.
I don't know.
No, I think it's a guy's. What about that?
For you,
Is that for a guy or a girl?
I think that's feminine.
Is it?
Looks feminine.
Okay. Dang.
I should.
But it's so
I
big.
like the tag.
Yes, that is lovely. How much is that?
For going
Do
for,
you want this?
no, to get flung around. No.
Yeah, they get tossed around, something awful. We've got some pins as well. 2025. And also people lose the backs of their pins, so you can buy them separately as well. And you've got glasses, reading glasses, sunglasses. There's this year's Disney Vacation Club lounge fly. Ooh, you look nice. How much are you? Can't see. Must be free. Right, folks, that is us back in the room. And Rosa and I treated ourselves to, obviously Rosa got a nice new jumper, and I got a Mickey Premium Bar, and Rosa's having the Mickey sandwich. So, with that in mind, we are going to enjoy that, wash up, head down to the pool, and call it a night. Oh my God. Oh, just simply amazing. How do I get out again? There it is, folks. She has lit up. Wow, wow, wow. Right, folks. I think I'll draw this vlog to a close because I don't think I closed yesterday's. But I think Epic's vlog's going to be quite long, so I might separate Riviera Check In to Epic rather than having it in one day because it's going to be a very long vlog, I feel. But that being said, the review of Epic Universe, it's stunning. The food needs improved because it was cold. Again, it was $45 for two of us, and it was freezing. And again, I've said this before in previous vlogs that if the food's not right, it goes back. We're all paying an extortionate amount to be here, never mind to pay for the food. The least they can do is make sure it's hot when it's leaving the kitchen, and it wasn't. So, and then that set me in a little bad mood, and I was done with the place. I was like, that's it, just get me to Disney. But then I did Stardust Racers, and I think that is my new favourite roller coaster. That was something else. Yeah, it was just sensational. The views that we had from the room, from the Helios Grand, was stunning as well. Obviously we got a lift from Helios to here. That was really easy as well. Yeah, so Epic Universe has a few teething issues, obviously, with the queues and stuff. What did we manage to do? Managed to do Magic, Minecart Madness. I did Stardust Racers. We didn't do anything in Isle of Berk, which is a bit disappointing. Okay, ride-wise, we didn't do anything. But we got to see the show, The Untrainable Dragon, and that was cool. Seeing Toothless and all that jazz. No spoilers here. I didn't record anything there. Lots of people did, but they do say you're not supposed to, so I didn't. I mean, Celestial Park was nice as well. So what else we do? Super Mario World, we did Yoshi's Adventure, and we also did Mario Kart. That was cool.
Did you say about the wait times and stuff like that?
Not yet. So Mario was what? We rope dropped Mario, and that was about what, 30 minutes? 30 minutes, roughly. Yoshi's was a walk-on. Dark Universe, the Curse of the Werewolf was a walk-on. Frankenstein was a walk-on, but we missed the pre-show, so that was disappointing. I mean, the scale of everything was huge. There's no doubt about it. What is going on out there? There's noise outside, and I don't know if it's our neighbours or not. Fireworks. Oh, this is our view of the fireworks, folks. I can just hear the music and no more. Is the 8th floor the top floor? I think it is. Oh man. with that being said, folks, I think it's time to call it a night on this vlog. Thank you so much for watching if you have. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. And don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so you do know when the next video is coming out. So thank you again and cheerio. Here's the main event, the steak and what's supposed to be eggs, but we're getting bacon. The smashed potatoes, I think that's polenta, isn't it? We love it here. I don't know if I've said that. So these windows here are GO82 and we are in there near the end of the holiday.